guys, it's me Rahul, and today, right, I said we're gonna open a new Pokemon video. We got Shining Fates 10, yeah, a Shining Fates 10, and we're gonna go open this up. So, yeah, subscribe, like, and enjoy this video. I think I take all the wrappers out first. I think I'll. There we go. I got. Now I have the wrapper as well. Let's open it up. And wow, the cards are good. Let's take off this. Let's take off this. There's the code card, the code card if you want it. When you want it, there we go. This thing, I'm gonna have a sleeve for this in the future. And now let's check the cards. I think it's gonna be all shiny face. Okay. Shine face, shine face, shine. Okay, it's all shine face. Let's just go for this card. Back. Let's go. Maybe we can find out a rainbow where. Charizard. Ooh, how do you know? So, oh, there. My code card. I picked the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elagos, Dartrix. Okay, we got Elagos, Dartrix. Okay, I hear the money, guys. Eevee, Yama. Okay, I will. Okay, this is okay. Last card. Oh. So like code card. Okay, next pack. That pack was a scam. That was I thought it was gonna be like code card in there, but no, it's code card. There you go. Okay, what is it now? This be a green code card, guys. Another white swiping and white. Okay, if it wants it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Dartrix again. Dartrix again. Elagos. This thing. Hey, we got 2 evolvers. Buffings. Okay, Trapage. Rowlet. Shadow. Oh, shiny, not that bad. It's shiny. And we got a Ditto V. Not that bad. I claim we got shiny, so that's good. Charizard time. I hope you have the Charizard inside. We did got a Ditto V, so that's good. I never seen a Ditto V. Hey guys. If you pull the Ditto V, comment down below. I never actually opened a Ditto V. And now I have a Ditto V. We got a white code card for days. Who needs the code card? I'll give to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got. Let's go. Okay. Oh, it's the last card. Oh, okay. Why they all scam me? We have 2 cards left. I need to get a rainbow rare somehow. First I gotta. And guys, Chilling Rain coming soon. Chilling Rain pack. If you ever see one, yeah. Comment down below if you find a Chilling Rain pack. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Rotom. 2 Rotoms. got Shield, Eldegoss, okay. Eldegoss, Cacnea, Chewit, Eevee, Nickit, okay. Horsey, and a V! Not that bad! I mean a shiny. 2 shinies already? Come on, 2 shinies, that's good. How many bucks I made? 10? Oh, okay, one of the shiny stuff. The shiny stuff. And this one too. There we go. Let's open the last pack. Okay guys, there's no mystery pack like last time we did. Because all the other videos we found in shopping. I think you get a mystery pack for like you bought something online, but my mom bought this. Open you. This cards when you're opening it are really hard to do, except with scissors. If you have scissors, it's easy. Okay, this is our last pack. It should be worth it. We got 1 V and 1 we got 1 V and 2 shiny. So it's not that bad, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got here the Rotom. Oh, a sword. We got a sword and shield. Okay. We got sword and shield. Cacnea. Horsey. You big fat elephant. Chewit. Oh, Yanma. Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Let's go. But that'll be it for this video. If you want more Pokemon videos, subscribe, like, and peace.